Okay, YouTubers, the winds are supposed to pick up later tonight, so I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Oh, let me get this going the other way. This is the thing with there, man. It's a lot of torque. Yes, more torque than before. So I'm going to try. Whoa! I did not snap that off there, did I? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sort of blind. I got my. Ooh. Torque snapped that off there. Dang. Well, that's more torque than before, and I think I should have been using both hands, and I didn't, so I screwed that up. That was silver soldered on there, which is very tough stuff, as you know. I am now going to take that off, go inside the shop. That's a lot heavier than before. So now, there it is, there on the ground. So, that ripped it from this seam all the way around. So, we're going to go back and make it better, and then we'll put that back on. And then we'll post this video first, and then we'll show you this thing going up at nighttime.